Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Friday, July 23rd. First of all, I want to say yesterday's short bolt sale was amazing because this is all that we have left. So if you didn't get a chance to come yesterday, you're going to want to come soon because this is going to be gone probably in the next like 4 or 5 days. So come on and get your choice. We have panels, we have novelty, we have it sorted by color. And there's still a lot of great stuff left on very small bolts. So all of this yardage is $6.99 a yard, and it's all first run yardage by QT Fabrics. Next, I have a couple of new things to show you today. The first one is that we just got in the Solar Flare Kit, which is using True Colors by Tula Pink. Look how beautiful that is. The kit includes 13 yards of fabric and 32 cotton fabrics from Free Spirit True Colors by Tula Pink, pattern with complete instructions and color diagrams, full-size ready-to-use paper foundation templates, and binding. So we have several of these now available in the shop. These will also go fast. I know some other shops on our Shop Owners Network have been looking for them because people have been buying them quickly. And then today is also Fat Quarter Friday. So today's Fat Quarter Friday was curated by Julie. She's calling it Sunflowers in the Sunshine. So we're starting with a sunflower print. And then there's a beautiful green dit dot to go with it. And a yellow kaleidoscope. And then she had it a pretty pink. That's a lovely addition. And a gold. And then this piece on back, which I guess is where the pink ties in. So again, our Fat Quarter Frenzies happen every Friday. We make about 8 bundles, and when they're gone, they're gone. So if you like Sunflowers in the Summer by Julie, be sure to come and grab it right now at our front desk or online. I hope you have a great weekend. We'll see you back here on Monday. Bye.